How to create boards on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create boards on Pinterest. Begin by opening your Pinterest application on your device and locate the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Click on it to reveal the options Pin and Board. Choose Board here. Now add a title to your board in the provided space. Below the title, you will find options for invites and visibility. Customize this if needed. Once you have added the title and adjusted the options, click on the Next at the top right corner. Here you will be able to select the pins you want to add to your board by clicking on this pin icon next to each one. The pin icon will turn into a tick mark indicating your selection. After choosing your pins, click on the Done option at the top right of the screen. Congratulations, you have successfully created board on Pinterest. To check it, click on the human icon at the bottom of the screen. Then you will find the boards you have created under your profile. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.